Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Music Academy. Let's suppose I have a Music Academy for which I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheet so that I will be able to create a record. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Music Academy leads to Google Sheets. So let's suppose I'm having a Music Academy, and to promote that, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And I've also created a lead gen form for capturing the leads by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So we are going to automate this entire process by setting up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets by using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation software. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can connect multiple applications without any coding or programming skills, and we can automate our tasks with that. Now, this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. As we do that, it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflow. Now I'm going to click on this create workflow option to create a new workflow, which is given on right corner, and it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let's add the name over here. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Music Academy. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this Facebook lead ads automation folder, and now let's click on create. As we have done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is a trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action, and we want that as soon as we are going to generate a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in our Google Sheets. Now here we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated, then only the details are added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. Okay, so after understanding the concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, let us select the trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. Now here we need to select the trigger event. The trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So let us select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, instantly the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, automatically the workflow should get triggered. Now let's click on connect, and here we need to click on add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now here I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button, and our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Facebook lead ads account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here we need to select our Facebook page as well as the form so that the response could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you once again towards my Facebook account. This is my page, House of Music. So I'm going to select the same over here, and we can find that it is already selected. And the next is the lead gen form. So here I have created a new lead gen form named as registration form. I'm going to select it in order to capture the response. Let's click on save and send test request button. And we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured over here. How we are going to do that? By submitting the form which we have selected. So I'm going to take you towards Meta for developers. Here we need to go towards more option, and we can find the option of tools over here. So let's select it, and it has taken us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Let us select it. and it has taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this tool, we are going to test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select my page and the form, and as soon as we will submit the form, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Because I'm not running any live campaign currently for my business on my Facebook page, therefore I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. But in your case, once you will set up the integration correctly, whenever a new lead will be generated through lead gen form, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So here my page is already selected and the form as well. So I'm going to click on this preview form button. Because I have created a new form, therefore I'm directly clicking on this preview form button. But in case if you are using any existing form, then you first have to delete the existing lead from that by clicking on this delete lead button, and then you will refresh the page so that a new form could be open in front of you. And here the form is open. So basically this is a registration form for a free workshop. So as soon as a person is going to enter the details and submit this form, the details of that person will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Because I'm doing a test submission, here I'm going to enter dummy details. Let's start with the email. Let's say the email of the person will be dummylead@pabblytunes.com. Here will be the first name. Let's say dummylead. And at last I'm going to enter the phone number, a random phone number. Okay, now let's click on next and we will submit the form. So as the form is submitted, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And we can find that we have received the response over here. In the response, we have received all the details, full name, email, as well as the phone number. This means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. So now whenever a new lead will be generated through lead gen form, automatically the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now our objective is to send this response towards our Google Sheets. So let me delete the existing data from this sheet. Okay. And now we are going to add the fresh data of a new lead in this particular spreadsheet. So we are going to connect the spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step. And here in our action application, I'm going to select Google Sheets. The action event will be add new row. Because we want to add the details of our Facebook leads in our Google Sheets in the form of a new row. Let's click on connect. Now here from the given options, I'm going to go with existing connection, as I've already built the connection with my Google Sheets account. If you want to create a new connection, then you have to click on this add new connection button, and then you need to click on this sign in with Google. Okay, let's click on save. And with this, Google Sheets is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now here I'm going to select my spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is the Music House Leads, which is selected correctly. And because I've only created sheet 1 there, the sheet 1 is already selected. Now we need to enter 3 details over here: name, email, and the phone number, all the details of the Facebook lead. We have already received all the details of the lead from our earlier response, so we will simply map that. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given. When we will select that, here are all the details. We want to map the name, which is given over here. Let's select it and it is mapped. In the same manner, we are going to map the email also, and at last we will map the phone number as well. We have mapped all the details successfully. Because we have mapped this data, that means it has become dynamic now, so it is going to change with each and every response. But in case if we will enter it manually by typing or copy and pasting, then it would have become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Okay, so because we want to automate the entire process, that's why we have mapped the data over here. Let's click on save and send test request button. And here is the response. Now we will go and check on our Google Sheets whether automatically the details are added there or not. And yes, we can find that the details are added over here. Dummy lead, this is the email as well as the phone number. This means that the workflow is successful. So we have successfully built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Now whenever a new lead will be generated for our Music Academy from Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that lead will be captured in our Google Sheets. In this way, you can very easily create this automation by following these 2 simple steps, which will enable you to automatically create a record of all your Facebook leads without manual efforts. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.